Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to share with you an awesome and easy way to do nail art idea using gel polishes from Rossi's summer collection. As always, start by prepping your nails. Push back cuticles and lightly buff the natural shine. Wipe the nails with alcohol to remove oils and filing dust. Next, apply the gel polish base coat as neatly and carefully as you can. Use thin and even layers. Cure for 30 seconds in a Rossi LED nail lamp. Check out our website for some awesome shade inspiration. Rossi's summer collection includes 30 carefully selected shades for the best vacation manis. We will start by applying this super pretty shade called Champagne Pop, a semi-transparent color that will give the nail plate a beautiful natural glow. Cure for 30 seconds in a Rossi LED nail lamp. Repeat with a second layer. Champagne Pop, thanks to its transparency, will remain delicate and won't overwhelm the entire look. Cure for 30 seconds. Next, pick your favorite gel polishes. Add a drop of each color onto the palette. In this video, we will be using Magenta, Rogue Planet, Chicago, Raisin, Good Vibes, and Be My Love. You'll need a detailed brush or a toothpick. Both will work great for creating fine lines. When picking up a gel, work the product through with a brush. This will help you create more uniform lines. Start with a smaller half circle and keep adding more lines in different colors. Remember to wipe the brush onto the paper towel or a lint-free pad when changing color. Add 4 or 5 different color arches. Remember not to cure yet. Start at the middle point and drag the brush bristles through all the colors. Repeat the lines and remember to change the angle so it looks like they are coming from one central point. Cure for 30 seconds. Now you can repeat the process for the other nails. We recommend you to do one finger at a time to prevent gel polish from running to your cuticles and colors blending too much. You can repeat the same color combination or alternate the sequence. You can also experiment with the placement of the tie-dye design. We love the contrast between strong colors like Magenta and Chicago and more pastel Raisin and Good Vibes. A good tip is to wipe the brush after creating each stroke. This will prevent a center color from blending with other colors. Cure for 30 seconds. The last step is to protect the design and give it a shine. Apply Rossi gel top coat onto each nail. Cure for 60 seconds in Rossi LED nail lamp. Massage Rossi Nourish Cuticle oil into the skin surrounding the nail plate. We recommend you use it 3 to 4 times a week to keep your cuticles and nails hydrated. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments if you're going to try some colors from the Summer Gel Polish collection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Bye Rossi babes!